How to install the Nexxt Home Smart TV Backlight. Clean the back of the TV, making sure it is dry and dust-free. Using a tape measure, determine and mark the exact center on the top edge of the TV screen frame. Remove the protective film on the double-sided adhesive tape on the base of the camera. Then fix the camera on the top of the TV frame, sticking the base in the place marked as its center, and secure it behind with the clip. Stick the LED light strip firmly to the back of the TV, using the adhesive tape strip attached to its reverse. Start at one of the lower corners and go around the edge of the TV clockwise or counterclockwise following the direction indicated by the arrows on the tape until you close a rectangle. This video shows the assembly starting from the lower left corner. Connect the LED light strip to the multi-connector on the end of the camera cable. Then connect the included power adapter cable to the camera's multi-connector. Plug the adapter into a wall outlet. The LED light will turn on and start flashing slowly. Now press and hold the power and reset button on the camera for a few moments. The green light indicator will flash once. When the LED light strip starts flashing faster, it means it is ready to pair with the app. With this, you have learned how to install the Nexxt Home Smart TV Backlight.